Hello everyone, thanks for watching Rainbow tutorial video. Today we will show you how to adjust and test the tension of Rainbow embroidery machine. At first, we need to make testing embroidery pattern by the EmCAD design software. We will make 12 or 15 color bars for each needle tension testing. At first, we can write a line and add round stitch for the line, and then we can add satin stitch and cover the line. Left click, then press enter. We can say the pattern size is 5 millimeter by 20 millimeter, and stitch is satin. Now we can select the design and copy it. Press Ctrl and C, and Ctrl and V, and move the design side and change to another color. We can repeat the operation 12 or 15 times. Okay, now 12 color bars had been done. We will output it at DST format. Click Save and save as a DST format and name it tension testing. Click Save. We can font this file on computer, and we will copy it to USB disk and transfer to Rainbow embroidery machine. Okay, now the testing pattern is in the USB disk. Now we will copy it to machine's memory. Name it 22 and click enter. Okay, we can find the testing pattern in machine's memory now. Select the pattern and set color for it. Click OK, and then we can select hoop. Now this hoop was installed on the machine, so we select this one and move the pattern to center of the hoop. Click this to preview embroidery arrow. Okay, then click this to make machine be in ready studio, and click start for starting our testing. Okay, it's finished. Let's take off the garment hoop and check back side of the embroidery work. Okay, you can say the orange color tension is okay. Upper thread and bottom thread and upper thread, they are 1/3 for each one. The light blue color and the dark blue color is up thread tension is too loose, so white bottom thread pull it too much. So we can tie the up tension of light blue and dark blue. You can say the light blue color is a 5th needle, so we can adjust the knob of the 5th needle. This one. Turn left is lose the tension. Turn right is tie the tension. So we need to tie the tension a little. Also, we can adjust the knob on thread stand. Tie the 5th knob a little. Same with the dark blue needle. It's a last needle, so we can adjust this knob, tie it a little, and also tie the knob on thread stander. Okay, after the first adjustment, we can embroider the testing pattern again. Okay, it's finished. Also, we take off the garment hoop and check back side of the embroidery work. You can say the tension are almost okay. Just make the upper thread 1/3, white bottom thread 1/3, and upper colors thread 1/3. This one is perfect. Tension of the light blue color and the dark blue color can be tied a little more. Then the white bottom thread can be a bigger arrow. If the white bottom thread occupy more than 1/3 arrow, then we can lose the tension of the color upper thread. If the tension is still not perfect, even we had adjust maximal or minimum tension by knobs, then it may be the reason of tension of bobbin case. So we can adjust tension of bottom thread by this screw. Turn left. Turn left is lose tension, and turn right is tie the tension. Okay, that's all. If you have any question of tension, please feel free to get in touch with the Rainbow team. We will support you. Thanks for watching.